First example. 1 over 5 equals 2 over x. Teacher, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? I'm going to just use cross multiplication. As you can see, let's use another color to help you see clearly. 1 times x equals 2 times 5, x equals 10. Easy example to solve. Question 2, again. 1 over 4 equals, let's make it harder, 2 over 3 minus x, let's say. So we will do the same thing. 1 times using cross multiplication. Let's use another color to show it. Oh, it's hard to show. Let's use this. Okay, let's cross multiplication, which means 1 times 3 minus x. 3 minus 1 times 3 minus x. Use parentheses. Don't forget to use parentheses, otherwise you may get confused because of order of operation. 4 times 2 on the right side. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times negative x is negative x. Now negative x goes to the right side as positive number. Let me show you. It goes to the right side. But 8 comes to the left side because I want to see numbers on the left side. Variable, which is x, on the right side. 3 minus x. 3 minus x is minus 5, negative 5, equals x. What about question 3? Let's practice more after it. Then let's have it. Otherwise, we don't get it. Question 3, or example 3. Let's get it harder. 3 over 4 equals x minus 4 over 5. So we use the same method, cross multiplication, and you get used to solve it. 3 times 5 equals 4 times x minus 4. So 3 times 5 is 15 equals 4 times x, 4x, 4 times negative 4, negative 16. So 4x will be on the right side. Negative 16 comes to the right side as positive number. 15 plus 16, 31 equals 4x. 4 times, as you say, 4 times x. 4 goes to the left side as division. Finally, x will be 31 over 4. Yes, we solved 3 examples in this video. Thank you, grade 8 students.